Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update Darktable. So you can check this version of Darktable right in the program. So if you click here on this Darktable name and logo, you will see on the top left corner. If you click it, you will see it will open up this pop-up window, and here you will see the version. Now the easiest way, at least for me and for Windows, is that we can go here on their official website, darktable.org, and we go here to the install. And when there is the new version, just click and download it and run the installer. It will automatically detect and uninstall the previous version before installing the new one, while preserving your edits and settings. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can update easiest way your Darktable. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next